welcome back again. Forge is still hot from the last video where I made the twisting pliers. They're the, twisting wrench. Sorry, not pliers, wrench. And speaking of, got to boost the heat here a little. While I've got the forge going, I came up with another idea to do with these. Now, it's probably already been done, but whether it has or not, I'm going to give it a go. I think this would make a great tap handle for a beer tap. So what the plan is I'm going to heat it up, twist it, then on this end we'll drill a hole and tap the threads for a tap handle. And wouldn't it be cool if one of the local breweries wanted to use some of these? So I'm going to get it in the forge. Here we go. My new to me horse nips turned spike tongs, bolt tongs, I guess. Heat it up, get that right down inside the heat, and start cranking. Now, I just this year, this spring, switched my forge. When I first started, I just hooked a blow dryer up to it, and it was really loud. I couldn't have been talking to you like this while it was going. But I took and on that same trip where I got my grandpa's old anvil, I got the old, actually it was a long time earlier than that. My dad had brought back the hand crank blower that was in the little smithy on the farm up in North Dakota. My grandparents were, on my mom's side, were both first generation Americans. And they came from an immigrant farm family up in North Dakota. And so on the farm, they had the smithy for repairing tools, plow blades, tractors, chains, you name it. They, if it needed doing, they did it themselves. So he brought that back, and I hooked it up. And I love this thing for the coal forge. I don't know that I could go back to an automatic blower. This thing is just great. But let's get the spike hot. All right, spike's nice and hot. Let's get a twist for a tap. Okay. A little more. There we go. We are twisted. Now, I think in order to drill a decent hole in this, and I think just for symmetry, I'm gonna cut the spike off. So I'm just gonna run over to the chop saw quick and do that. All right, end is cut off, center punched. Let's no, that's not gonna work. Let's see if we can get a hole to drill. Go a little more. That's drilling nice. Now I need a little more. I want to make sure that this can go all the way down as far as it needs to on a tap handle. Yep, that should be fine. Hole is drilled. Let's go tap some threads. Yeah, a little dark in the room here, but fits on there, and it works beautifully. Railroad spike tap handles.